Hello, you are welcome to my next Excel tip number 15, how to fast calculate in Excel. For example, we have a table with a list of projects and we would like to calculate or summarize some costs here, for example, which I selected. Usually we can use AutoSum or Sum, which we can find here, but there exists another way how to fast calculate. I mean, use calculation in status bar, which we find in the right corner of Excel window. For example, here I see average, count, and sum. This calculation we can extend by other ones. So I click or use right click here to status bar, and then I check numerical count minimum, maximum, or turn on, and then you can see other calculations. And this offer stayed in Excel in other open workbook. What we have in a newest Excel, we can use calculation or copy calculation to clipboard. I mean, when I selected some cells, then I see the result, then I can click to result, and then that result I can paste to cell. For example, I use shortcut Control V and you can see calculation. This calculation is only number, is not calculation. I mean, there you can't see any formula. It is static value, but it can be useful. That's all from me. Bye bye. Have a nice day.